Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Mike. We're doing another sneaker review today. Let's get straight into it. So today we're taking a look at the Air Force 1 colour of the month in a triple white colourway. And before you write this up as another generic Air Force 1 review, this is way better than your average pair of Air Force 1s. Let's go. So, the original Colour of the Month series was released back in 1984, towards the end of the Air Force 1's original run. Before that, Nike was pretty much done with the Air Force 1. They was ready to move the line forward with the Air Force 2, which went on to release in 1986. But as it went, On the Ball sports shops in Baltimore saw the demand for the Air Force 1 was still really high, so they asked for custom colourways to sell just from their stores. This is what led to the Colour of the Month pack. These sneaker stores pretty much saved the Air Force 1 and cemented it as a classic we know in sneaker culture today. As you may know, 2022 is the 40th anniversary of the Air Force 1, and throughout the year, Nike have been re-releasing a Colour of the Month series, including this triple white colourway. So let's get into the shoe then, guys. First thing you'll notice, it's a much nicer feeling shoe in the hand than a regular Air Force 107. Not only is it a little heavier to hold, but the leather quality is so much nicer, making for a much more premium shoe. I don't have a regular pair to compare them to, but if you've had a normal pair of Forces or Dunks in the last couple of years, then you will know the leather quality on those shoes is pretty shocking. Thankfully, we don't have that problem here as the leather is tumbled. I don't think it's quite to the standard of the Drake certified Loverboy Forces, but it's really not far off, and these will still crease much nicer with wear. You may notice the usual metal debris is absent on this pair, instead replaced with a woven swoosh just above the toe box, and we also have a retro looking Nike Air logo on the back. There's also a 40th anniversary edition embroidered in gold on the tongue. One last difference between this pair and a regular pair of Forces is actually the shape, because this is based off the original cut from the 80s, similar to the AJ185s we've seen released this year. The Air Force 1 is much more than the influencer shoe that it's become in recent years. It's a massive part of sneaker history and it still deserves a spot in your rotation. If you're looking for a fresh pair in 2023, I think you should look no further than the Colour of the Month. So that's it from me today, guys. Let me know what you think to this sneaker down in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!
Hello, mister. Hey? Go on then, go on.